Hi, my name is Muhammad Ifandana bin Muhammad Azizi. My metric number is A22A1289. Well, today we're going to present, my group going to present our group assignment AFT1103 Business Mathematics. Our lecturer name is Puan Annie Noreni binti Muhammad Zain. Our group members are Nur Atika binti Muhammad Fazil, A22A0162, Nur Miza Kamila binti Abdul Yazid, A22A116, and Muhammad Ifandana bin Muhammad Azizi, me myself, A22A1289, Nur Khairunisa binti Saiful Khairi, A22A0804, Nur Izzati Husna binti Omar Rosti, A22A0479, and last one, Nur Ifa binti Omar, A22A0717.
My name is Nur Karnisa binti Saiful Khairi. My metric number is A22A0804. Today, I would like to talk about introduction. First objective is Para report to really examine and report on voyage bookstores Para system in order to guarantee efficiency, accuracy, and compliance. In Para report for voyage bookstore, we learn to calculate the overtime pay, piece work rate, and gross pay. Besides, second objective is on the depreciation chapter. This provides us with a comprehensive understanding and investigation of the several facets of depreciation in the context of financial management. We learn to calculate straight line method, declining balance method, and sum of few digits method. Our name of the company or factory is Voyage Bookstore. Address Voyage Bookstore Pengkalan Cepa, 1217 Jalan Bendahara, 1/36 Taman Bendahara, 16100 Pengkalan Cepa, Kelantan. Owner is Nur Atikah binti Muhammad Fazil. Date of establishment is on 14 February 2020. Type of business is retail business.
First of all, I will introduce myself. My name is Nur Miza Kamila binti Abdul Yazid and my metric number A22A0116. Today, I want to present about business math assignment for question 1. This is our payroll report for Voyages Bookstore Company. We have 10 employees and we have 5 different department names are sales, marketing, inventory, production, and payroll. For the payroll, we have 9 parts for the calculation. For example, hourly rates, regular hourly works per week, overtime hours, overtime days, sale per person, commission rates, number of production, pitch work rates, and gross pay. I'll continue for the next slide about how to calculate and the formula. This is example for employees 1. First, formula for regular pay is hourly rates times hourly work per week. For example, RM15 times RM14 and the answer is RM600. Second is formula for overtime pay is hourly rates times overtime rates times overtime hour. For example, RM15 times RM1.15 times RM5 and the total is RM112.50. Next formula for commission is sale per person times commission rates. For example, RM18,000 times 10% and the answer is RM118. Last but not least is formula for gross pay is regular pay plus overtime pay plus commission. For example, RM600 plus RM112.50 plus 118 ringgit and the total answer is RM892.50. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, I'm Nur Ifa binti Omar, matrix number A22A0717. To begin, let's break down the startup cost for the Voyage Bookstore. On investment, the owner has invested Ringgit Malaysia 20,000 in the business. Loan from a relative. The owner has borrowed Ringgit Malaysia 25,000 from a relative at an interest rate of 2%. The loan has a duration of 30 months. The interest amount for this loan is Ringgit Malaysia 1,250 and the future value after the given time period is Ringgit Malaysia 26,250. Bank XYZ loan. The owner has obtained a loan of Ringgit Malaysia 40,000 from Bank XYZ. The loan has an interest rate of 2.7% compounded quarterly and a duration of 5 years. The interest amount for this loan is Ringgit Malaysia 45,760 and 71 cents and the future value after the given time period is Ringgit Malaysia 85,760 and 71 cents. By adding up all the costs, the total startup cost for the bookstore is Ringgit Malaysia 85,000. The interest amount for all loans combined is Ringgit Malaysia 47,010 and 71 cents, and the future value of the business after the given time period is Ringgit Malaysia 132,010 and 71 cents. Promissory Note 1 represent a commitment by Nur Atika Fazil to pay Miza Kamila Ringgit Malaysia 25,000 with a 2% annual interest rate due on 20 January 2022. In Promissory Note 2, Nur Atika Fazil is the maker, creating a legal obligation to pay Miza Kamila. The maturity value, combining the face value and interest, is calculated as Ringgit Malaysia 26,250. In summary, Nur Atika Fazil is at the center of these financial commitments, bridging promises and payments in the world of numbers and due dates. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum to Madam and me. I want to introduce myself first. My name is Nur Atika binti Muhammad Fazil and my metro number A22A0162. Today, I want to explain the question 3A, which is machinery of voyage bookstore. This is list our machinery that we have used for our company. The total price for machinery is 11,986 ringgit and 99 cents. Our team was choose sharp cash register model for cost, which is the price 1,700 ringgit. Next, 3B1 straight line method. The formula for straight line method is cost, scrap value, and useful life. Cost 1,700, scrap value 600, and useful life 5 years. The total depreciation. The formula for total depreciation is TD equals C minus SV, which is 1,700 minus 600 equal 1,100. For annual depreciation, the formula is AD equals C minus SV divide N, which is 1,700 minus 600 divide 5 equal 220. For annual rate of depreciation R, the formula is R equal AD divide TD times 100%, or R equal 1 per N times 100%, R equal 1 divide 5 times 100%, R equal 20%. For book value, BVT, the formula is BVT equal C minus ACCDT, which is 1,700 minus bracket 5 times 20 equal 1,600. B2, declining balance method, annual rate of depreciation. The formula is R equal 1 minus square root SV divide C. R equal 1 minus square root 5, 600 divide 1,700. R equal 1 minus square root 5, 0.3529 equal 1 minus 0.811970901 equal 0.8802999 or 0.1880. This is depreciation schedule. We have get annual depreciation, depreciation to date, and book value at the end of the year. Annual depreciation at the last year, we get 138 ringgit and 94 cents. For depreciation to date, we get 1,099 ringgit 90 cents. For book value at the end of year, we get 610 cents. 3B3 sum of digits method. Since S is n arithmetic progression, the formula is S equal n bracket n plus 1 divided by 2 equal 5 bracket 5 plus 1 divided by 2 equal 15. The depreciation of certain year TT, the formula is RT equal n minus T plus 1 divided by S equal 5 minus 5 plus 1 divided by 15 equal 1 per 15. The formula of book value is BVT equals C minus ACCDT. BV power of 5 equal C minus ACC d power of 5 equal 1,700 minus bracket 5 divide 15 plus 4 divide 15 plus 3 divide 15 plus 2 divide 15 and plus 1 divide 15 times 1,100 equal 1,700 minus bracket 0.33 plus 0.27 plus 0.20 plus 0.13 plus 0.07 times 1,100 equal 1,700 minus 1 times 1,100 equal 600 ringgit. And lastly, this is depreciation schedule for sum of digits method. The annual depreciation is 77. Depreciation to date is 1,100 and book value at the end of the year is 600. That's all from me. Thank you.
Next is the retailing question for Tracy. Well, for first is 17 February 2023. Well, since the invoice was paid 5 days after the date of the invoice within the period, it entitled to receive 5% discount, which means they will get cash discount about 0.05 times what 11,000 ringgit 986.99 cents, and the amount become the cash discount. For the payment, we use the formula invoice amount minus cash discount, which means 11,989.99 cents minus 559.99.35 cents. Get the payment is 11,387.64 cents. Next is the 25 February 2023. Well, since the invoice was paid 13 days after the date of the invoice, within the discount period, it entitled to receive 2% discount only. Well, the formula is similar. Cash discount 0.02 times 11,986.99 cents. We get 209.74 cents. And for the payment formula is the same. Invoice payment minus the cash discount. We will get 11,986.99 cents minus 239.74 cents, and hence the payments was 11,747.25 cents.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Izzati Husna binti Muhammad Rosli, number matric A22A0479. Today, we explore the amortization of bank loan, especially 40,000 ringgit Malaysian loan with a 2.5% monthly compounding interest spread over 12 months. To start, let's calculate the monthly payment using the formula A equal P I divide 1 minus 1 plus I negative N, where P is the loan amount, I is the monthly interest rate, and N is the number of payment. The result is a monthly payment of 3,378.64 ringgit Malaysia. In the first month, 3,295.31 ringgit Malaysia goes toward principal and 83.33 ringgit Malaysia toward interest. As we progress, more of each payment contributes to reducing the principal, and the interest payment decrease. In just 12 months, the loan is fully paid off. The final payment of 3,378.64 ringgit Malaysia clears the remaining 3,371.62 ringgit Malaysia principal and 7.02 ringgit Malaysia interest. This amortization schedule provides a clear visual of how each payment contributes to reducing both principal and interest over time. To summarize, with a monthly payment of 3,378.64 ringgit Malaysia, this amortization schedule guides us through the gradual reduction of the loan balance. It's a valuable tool for understanding the dynamics of loan repayment. Thank you.
Conclusion, we can comprehend how to handle the company's account. In order to finish this assignment, we apply the knowledge we gained from the lecture. One of the things we get to improve as a result of this assignment is the calculation of gross pay with overtime pay based on time. We learned to calculate about this in Pero chapter. Following completion of the assignment, we were able to identify the practical application of payroll. Additionally, we enhance our comprehension of compound interest, simple interest, bank discounts, and installment payment. In the meanwhile, we also understand the fundamental principle for writing promissory notes. In addition, we get to determine the item's net price following a single or multiple trade discount. We are learning about measuring amortization and planning for amortization from this assignment. This makes it potentially more significant for our business.